Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com. Did you know that Google clearly states that fast websites will rank higher and have better conversion rates? Well, the reality is that getting a 90 plus page speed score is very difficult for anyone using WordPress, and especially if you're using a website builder like Elementor. Now, there are a lot of speed plugins on the market, and it's become common for people to stack a few of them together for better results. But most of them just give you a slight increase, like from 30 to 60. Getting a 90 plus score is actually pretty hard. Well, I found a free plugin that blows all of the others out of the water, and it's been built by a company that's made other WordPress plugins and overall serves 5 million sites. This new plugin is called Airlift, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to use the plugin on your WordPress website or blog to drastically enhance the overall performance. And real quick before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all the web and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first I want to quickly show you my site's current performance by using Google's PageSpeed Insights. This will give you a snapshot of my site's current performance so that after we activate the Airlift plugin on my WordPress site, you can see how much it improves the overall performance. So here I'm going to enter my site's URL and ask Google to analyze it. Then in a few moments, you'll see that my mobile performance is at 54. Yikes. And the desktop is pretty much the same. That's a pretty bad performance score, but thankfully we're about to change that with the Airlift plugin. So with that being said, let's head over to the Airlift website. You can get here by going to airlift.net, and I've linked to that in the video description below, and you'll just sign up for your free account. This will give you access to the plugin as well as the optimization dashboard and advanced settings. So from the homepage, click the sign up button in the upper right corner. And from here, you can create a new account using your email, or you can connect and sign up with an existing Google account. That's what I'm going to do, so I'll click the Connect with Google button. And then select the account you want to connect to. And then click the Continue button to sign into Airlift with your Google account. And in a few moments, you'll be redirected to your brand new Airlift account and dashboard. But before we do anything, you should see a notification in the bottom left corner alerting you that you'll need to verify your email address. So head over to the inbox of the email that you signed up with and keep an eye out for a verification email from Airlift. It'll look something like this, and all you'll do is click the verify your email address within that email. Then in a few moments, you'll be redirected back to your Airlift dashboard. And now that you're verified, the next step will be to add your WordPress site that you want to optimize. So go ahead and click the Add Site button. And then in the field provided, enter the URL of your WordPress site and click the Continue button. Next, if you haven't installed and activated the plugin on your WordPress site, I recommend doing it manually. So go ahead and click the Download button, and this will automatically download the plugin zip file to your computer. Once that download is complete, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. Then within your dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then click on the Upload Plugin button. And then you'll want to choose the file that you want to use, so go ahead and click the Choose File button. And select the Airlift plugin file that you just downloaded. Then click the Install Now button. And once the installation is complete, click the Activate Plugin button, and that will redirect you back to the Airlift dashboard, where it will also begin the site sync and optimization. You'll see this little graphic appear showing you that the plugin is currently analyzing your site, and in a few moments, it'll show you your site's metrics before and after optimization. And depending on the size of your site, this may take a few seconds. It took around 30 seconds for the plugin to analyze my site, but when it's done, you'll see your current score along with some key stats like page size, JS count, load time, and CSS count. Then the plugin gets to work on optimizing your site, and it'll keep you posted on the status by showing you this countdown. Now this usually takes about 4 minutes for it to do its thing, so just sit tight and keep an eye on it. But for the sake of time, I'm going to fast forward through the configuration so that you can see the improvement that the Airlift plugin brings to my site's performance. And check that out. How amazing is that? You get this great visual of the original and optimized site. We went from a 57 to a 96. That is a huge improvement. You can even visit the original and optimized pages by clicking either one of those buttons below the scores to see the difference in the load times and whatnot. Below that, you also get a page load comparison showing you the before and after improvements made to decrease the time it takes for your site to load. Then I do want to point out that you may see the plugin still working on optimizing other pages in the background. Again, depending on the size of your site, this may take some additional time, but I think it took around 30 minutes for the plugin to completely optimize the rest of my site's pages and images. Just FYI. Also, if you run into any issues whatsoever with the plugin, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. You can contact them here, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. I worked with them on a few questions that I had when I first started using the plugin, and they were extremely helpful and knowledgeable. All right, next, let's quickly go over this report. So if we scroll down, you'll see that the Airlift plugin gives you a detailed overview of what was done and how the plugin optimized your site's overall performance. For example, you'll see the optimized pages as well as the improvements that were made to the homepage, decreasing the overall size to help speed up the page. Then below that, we have the CSS and JavaScript optimization. Again, by optimizing the CSS and JavaScript, the Airlift plugin helps your website load faster and perform better, enhancing the user experience and improving your site's overall efficiency. And then finally, we have the font optimization, other features that were enabled like page caching, iframe, lazy loading, CDN integration, etc. There's also the Web Vital improvement to show the comparison between the before and after performance metrics. And looking at this at first glance, I can see that the speed index alone jumped from a 37 to a 100. That is amazing. Then the plugin even goes on to show you what it offers compared to the competitors, and it's free, I might add. This is kind of crazy that it's all free, but again, I'm not complaining. Okay, so that's the site performance report in a nutshell. Next, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. So in the nav towards the top of the screen, if you click on where it says Sites, you'll be taken to your site management page. This will list all of the sites that you're optimizing with the plugin. I currently only have one, but it'll show you your site with some shortcut icons. You'll also notice that the plugin is still optimizing my additional pages and images, but it should be done in about 30 minutes. Either way, if you click on your site listed here, it'll take you to your site dashboard where you can configure additional settings to enhance and optimize your site's performance. All right, so let me give you a quick tour of this dashboard. So on the left, we have the basic overview of your site. From here, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, manage plugins, themes, users, add client access if needed, and even schedule updates, all from this Airlift site dashboard. They've streamlined some of the most important aspects of managing a site right here. It's pretty cool. Then on the right-hand side, we have a snapshot of the site's optimized performance. You get the score as well as the ability to purge the cache, disable the plugin if needed, and access the details report. Next to that are the notes. You can create and leave notes to yourself, your team, or clients. Pretty helpful. Next are the backup and firewall options. I'm not enabling them for this tutorial, but flip those switches on and you can create backups of your site and enable additional security. However, these are paid features and you'll need to upgrade from the free plan if you'd like to access these features. Below that are additional update notifications for your plugins, themes, and WordPress version, helping you stay on top of your updates. And then next is the WP activity log. Again, this is a paid feature, but flipping that switch on will enable the WP activity log and will allow you to track real-time user activity and monitoring. Then scrolling down, you'll see that there are some additional aspects of the dashboard like staging. However, you'll need backups enabled in order to set up your staging environment. This is a paid feature. Next is reporting. Here you can generate new reports and schedule reports out if you need to. Below that is the advanced uptime monitoring. This too is a paid feature, but a really good one if you have the budget for it. This helps businesses prevent downtime, which can be costly in terms of lost revenue and the resources needed to fix the problem. And uptime monitoring can also help you improve your user experience overall. So again, if you have the budget for a paid Airlift plan, this is a great feature. And finally, you have the ability to connect to Google Analytics to your dashboard. giving you yet another way to monitor performance and web traffic all right here from your Airlift account. Okay, so that's your site dashboard. Next, if you click the dashboard menu item in the nav at the top of the screen, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can get an overview of your account as a whole. Here you can manage the sites that are synced, the status, clients, team members, updates, and reports. Then on the right, you get an overview that is similar to the site dashboard where you can monitor and configure things like the updates, activity, backup, security, staging, etc. Again, giving you a ton of control and flexibility over how you optimize and manage your WordPress sites. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how to configure your optimization settings. So back at the site dashboard, within the performance snapshot, if you click the details button, you'll be taken to your optimization details report. And this was the initial report that we briefly went over once the plugin finished optimizing my site. Again, a lot of really helpful info here to show you how the performance was improved. Then if you look towards the top of the report, there are 3 additional tabs. And if you click on the optimization settings tab, this will give you the ability to really drill down and configure how the plugin optimizes your site. This is definitely a little more technical, and if you aren't familiar with any of this stuff, then I recommend just leaving the default settings in place. However, if you are well versed in the technical aspects or if you have a dev on staff, then this is a great resource that can help to further optimize your site if needed. Then finally, we have the Lighthouse report, and this is the same report that Google uses to help improve the quality of web pages on your website. It has audits for performance, accessibility, progressive web apps, SEO, and more. And again, a lot of great info here to help you see how the Airlift plugin optimizes and improves your site's overall performance. Then to get back to your dashboard, just click your site title here in the upper left corner, and you'll be taken back to the site performance dashboard. All right, then just for the sake of the example, now that we have implemented the Airlift plugin, let's revisit Google's PageSpeed Insights and see how it ranks my site now. So I'll enter my site's URL again and analyze it. And for the sake of time, I'll fast forward a bit and check that out. The mobile score, which was in the low 50s at the beginning of this tutorial, is now in the 90s. And then the same goes for the desktop version. Everything is green and in the 90s, and even a 100 score for best practices, all because of the free Airlift plugin. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. If you haven't done so already, I highly encourage you to download the Airlift plugin and implement it on your WordPress site. You can download it by visiting the link in the video description below. And hopefully you were able to see that after implementing Airlift on my own website, we noticed a significant improvement in load times and overall performance. So if you're looking to enhance your website's speed and performance, Airlift is a fantastic solution. Its powerful features and ease of use make it a top choice for any WordPress site. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're thinking about starting a blog, you gotta check out my step-by-step tutorials. They'll show you everything you need to know in order to build, grow, and monetize a professional WordPress blog. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.